Hello and welcome back to the channel and welcome to Germany. We are here at Essen Motor Show. This is one of the longest shows we've ever done, a full 10-day show over 2 weekends, and we're going to give you a walk around and show you what it has to offer. Let's go.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick, yeah. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit for 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money is my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a slap shot. Flew out my baby, told her around me like I'm Epcot. Whoa, whoa, I've been doing road on the go, go. Get a bag and flip it, that's for sure. Yeah, for sure, show. That was never talking about nothing. Plotting and scheming, how we gon' get it back. Designer all on you, but you can't buy the swag. No Miris, those foo-foo, I can see the tag. You can bet if I spendin' this, cause I get it back. I'm 5G, your dollar, I can see the lag. All I ever wanted was to have it all. Got close, never froze, had to risk it all. As a little boy, I wish I was a little tall. Never made the league, I found other ways to let me ball. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on.
So after being here for 10 days, we've really managed to soak in everything this show has to offer. We have found ourselves spending most of our time in this particular hall in the tuning experience, purely because the level of car is so high and it offers pretty much something for everyone. The majority of it is stance, but there's some big power stuff in here as well, and all of the cars are impeccably finished. There was also some other standout cars like the ones on the JP Performance stand, the pink Porsche and the E36 are big standouts for us, as well as seeing the new M2 over on the BMW stand. Now all that's left for us to do is load our cars back on the lorry, head back, and then we're having a bit of a break for Christmas, and we'll see you in the new year.